Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. I hope you all are well. Guys, today morning I got this product from AliExpress. This is an electric trimmer. So in this video I am going to unboxing this trimmer and I'll try to show you every details of this trimmer. So let's do this. So friends, first I'm going to open this packet. So here is the trimmer seal box. At the back side of this box, some images with specifications, but all are written in Chinese language, so I cannot understand. And below some specification or details also written in Chinese language. Inside the packet, nothing. Okay, this is the user manual of this trimmer. All are written in Chinese. I cannot see any other language. This is the ancient trimmer card, again written in Chinese. This is the trimmer charging cable. This is the Type-C charging cable. Beside the charging cable, company provide a small cleaning brush for cleaning this trimmer. Both quality are good. Now if I show you the charging cable length. Okay, here you can see the charging cable length. It is enough for charging this trimmer. With this trimmer, company did not provide any power supply. You need to charge this trimmer with your phone power supply, or you can use a power bank for charging this trimmer. Okay, here is the trimmer. The body and color looking good. Body finishing quality is also good, but the body is made with plastic. If I show you closer, this is a really nice looking and lightweight trimmer. Weight may be near about 140 to 50 grams. Okay, this is the trimmer cutting head cover. Here you can see 3 cutting heads. This is the power on off button. This is the Type-C charging port. It is easy to connect it. At the back side of this trimmer, the company mentioned some specification, but mentioned in Chinese, so I cannot understand. Now if I run this trimmer, now you are listening the trimmer sound. Guys, beside clean shave, you can trim your beard with this trimmer. Here you can see trimmer blades. It is really easy to open and close. Guys, most cool feature of this trimmer is after shaving you can easily clean your trimmer blades with water. Here you can see the blades of this trimmer. Here are motor heads. Now if I run this trimmer, okay, here you can see the motor heads are spinning. It is really easy to open and close. Beside this trimmer has floating cutter head, which is really good for face skin. Here you can see. Now guys, I'm going to give you some important information about this trimmer and also tell you the good side and bad side of this trimmer. Number 1, make sure you use a 5 watt or 5 volt charging adapter or power bank for charging this trimmer. Number 2, as this trimmer body made with ABS plastic, so do not drop down from a long distance, otherwise it can be damaged. Number 3, this trimmer has a floating cutter head, so you feel anti-punching shaving. Now I'm going to talk about the good side of this trimmer. Number 1 is after charging this trimmer 1 hour, you can easily use this trimmer 1.5 hours. Number 2, shaving with this trimmer really easy and comfortable. Number 3, traveling time, you can carry this trimmer. Number 4, you no need to use shaving foam for shaving with this trimmer. Number 5, besides shaving, you can also trim your beards with this trimmer. Now if I talk about the bad side of this trimmer, I found only one bad side of this trimmer, that is if you try to shave long beard with this trimmer, then you need to trim your long beard into a small size first. Then you can easily and comfortably shave with this trimmer, otherwise it will be critical for you. But I think this is not a big issue. In my opinion, this is the best trimmer who shave every day. For all of this side, I recommend you this trimmer if you're looking for a cheap and good shaving trimmer. So that's all for today. In the next video, I'll show you how you can change this trimmer blade easily. You may find this video link in this video description. Besides this, I hope you like this video and also like this trimmer. If you are, please click on the like button. If you have any question, please comment below. Subscribe now for more upcoming tech videos of this channel. So thanks for watching this video. Please stay safe at home. See you in the next video.